The Little Forest Cleanup Guardians. Little bear Guo loved eating blueberries, and often visited the blueberry bushes in the western part of the forest. But lately, every time he went to pick berries, he found trash scattered on the ground, more each day. Yesterday, he even cut his paw on a shard of glass. Where are these strange things coming from? Guo puffed, hands on his hips. They're ruining my favorite blueberries. The next day, Guo brought a small bamboo basket to collect trash, tin cans, plastic bags, old batteries, fruit peels, and more. He piled it all under a large tree. That night, a strong wind blew through the forest. The plastic bags fluttered up to the treetops, landing right on Grandpa Owl's head. Haphazard trash piles are worse than no cleanup at all. Grandpa Owl scolded, flapping his wings angrily. This much garbage needs proper sorting. On the third day, Guo returned to find Grandpa Owl labeling the trash with colored paper. Blue for recyclables, green for food waste, red for hazardous items, and black for non-categorized trash. Guo scratched his head, watching rusty cans marked blue and rotten apple cores tagged green. But when he picked up a red labeled battery, Little Fox suddenly dashed over. "Give me that red thing to play with." Before Guo could stop him, Little Fox snatched the battery. No! Grandpa Owl swooped down, reclaiming it. These contain toxins that poison the soil. Guo and Little Fox looked at the yellowed, dead grass where batteries had leaked and hung their heads in shame. On the fourth day, Guo posted a hand-drawn trash sorting guide on the forest bulletin board. Little Fox brought 4 color-coded bins with lids to contain odors. From now on, let's protect our forests together, Grandpa Owl declared, soaring overhead. The animals nodded in agreement. The hedgehog family volunteered to supervise the trash station, reminding everyone, bury fruit pits on Thursdays, collect glass bottles on Sundays. A year passed. The forest transformed. Discarded planks became swings. Old fishing nets and buckets turned into flower baskets, and colorful tires stacked into a playground. Most magical was the compost site. Last year's fruit peels had become rich, black soil. Look, new friends! Guo pointed at earthworms wriggling from the ground. The animals gathered, watching Mr. Earthworm perform soil magic. Laughter filled the air, and the once dirty forest now smelled of fresh grass. That night, Guo watched fireflies dart around the trash bins like tiny inspectors with lanterns. He smiled happily, For through a year of effort, he had come to understand, a clean forest is not conjured by magic, it is safeguarded by all companions working together in the right way.